In this video, we will see delete operation upon an array. So I'm using the same program which we have already used for insert, append and display. This is the array structure having array of size 10 with the size and length. So here, just above main function, I will write a delete function. Delete function will delete an element from an array from a given index. So it should return a deleted element and the function name is delete. It should take a parameter of type array and it should be called by address because it's going to modify an array. And the next thing is it should take an index from where we want to delete an element. Here I am getting an error because function should return something. So I will write return 0 for time being before writing the code. The error is gone. This IDE shows instant error. So wherever there is an error, that time only it will highlight the error. That's the benefit of this IDE. For deletion, I should take the value, deleted value in this variable. So I will make the variable initially 0. Then before deletion, first of all, I should check whether the index given is valid or not. So index should be greater than or equal to 0 and index should be less than equal to ARR's length minus 1. So or else I can say just index is less than ARR's length. So because if length is 5, we'll be having the last element at index 0. So this is the condition I have to check whether the index is valid or not. If the index is valid, then in variable x, get the value from array at a given index. Then I have to shift the rest of the values. So for that, I need one more variable I. I have declared the variable I. Now here, I will write on for loop for shifting all the elements. For I assign, from index onwards, I should start. And I should be less than ARR's length minus 1. Because we are shifting the element, so we should stop at a length minus 1 and I plus plus. At every time at ARR's I should copy an element from A of I plus 1. This will shift all the elements. Then after shifting the elements, the length of an array should be decremented. So it is decremented. And I should return the value x, whatever the value is deleted. And here also, I can write x, that is x will be 0, or else I can write just 0 also. Means if the element is not found, means the index is invalid, then it will return 0. See, this is the extra condition I have written, checking whether index is valid or not. This I did not discuss in whiteboard session. Now, coming back to main function. Inside main function, I will call delete function. Delete will return the value that is deleted. See, here it returns integer type. So that value, I will directly print it. So let us write printf %d new line. Then call delete function by passing address of array and index. I want to pass it at index 4. So last index is 4 and the value present there is 6. So I want to delete this value. Then after this, the length of the array will become 4 and I'll be having only 4 elements, that is 2 to 5. Let us run the program and see what happens. Yes, value 6 is deleted and now display function is displaying only 4 values because only 4 values are there. Let us give a different index. Index as 0. I'll give index 0. Let us run the program. So value 2 should be deleted and the remaining values in an array are 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us debug this delete function. I'll put a breakpoint on printf and run the program. Now watch here the debug area. The values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the value that I am deleting is index is 0. If I continue running, then what happens? Just watch it. It has entered into delete function. I will expand this array object so that we can see the contents of an array A. See, now for loop starts, so it will be shifting the values one by one. See, 3 is copied here. Now these two places 3 is there. So this 3 is copied here, 2 is gone. The next 4 will be copied here. So this 4 remain as it is unless it is removed. So we can't remove it. So this 4 will be copied here next. This 4 is copied. Then 5 is shifted. Then 6 is shifted. You can check the length also here at the bottom. Length is 5. 6 is shifted. Then length became 4. That's all. It will return back to main function. And the value is printed, deleted value is printed, and the display function is called. So that's all with this delete function.